Alright, clean your surface off so it sits flat. Clean the head off, make sure it's good. We already filed it, remember? Okay. These need to be reversed now because they're in a different area. There you go. Mirror image. Front to rear. That means it's exactly the same and opposite. In case you know what that meant. Everything changes by the same amount. Okay. Oop, just dumped it on the floor. That's that one. Okay, that should be tight. Appears to be all the way down. Looks good. Okay, we're going to jack it up another 10 just to make sure, or 15 so. Good. Okay, 0 point. And go there. All right, same 0 on that one. Okay, so that looks good. Contact. Ooh, what a difference. Oh no, we're 0, that's right. Okay, we're about 7th thou, so this head's a little bit lower than the other one. It should have hit around 90, which would be 10 under. We're over here at 6.5, 6 3/4 where we're hitting. We're going to go to 0 to be the same identical height as the other one, but obviously this one's probably another 3 thou under this number to be the same as the other one if we take off the same amount, but who knows? We don't know what the correct number is supposed to be. So I'll back that up a little bit. I think we're hitting a little bit. Yeah, see, we're hitting over here. Okay, there's our high number coming in now. There's our 0. Yeah, see, it hits over there. Okay. Just barely touching. Okay, we're clear. Get our oil. Okay, we're at what, 9? We'll give it 2 right now, see what happens. We should clear. Jump our speed up again. Go for it. really hitting. It's too thou. All those high spots. See, that's how much that rust, how deep it is. Quite a bit. Alright, so you can see how it's hitting about here a little bit here. It's not even hitting over here at all. So it starts hitting about right here. Looks like it ends about right over in this area. So the head is slightly like this, a couple thou probably. The other head was kind of the same way. Not square, oh well. Okay, I'm gonna give it 3, 4. Okay. Big cut. Chips are flying now. All the way. Okay, that was a 3 thou pass. We're cutting over here now. This side's starting to clean. This side needs to be a lot more cutting. Okay, we're going to do another 3 pass. So it's going to be like the other one when we're done. It'll be about the same deal, looks like. Okay. So we gotta get our number on here now. No. 1 thou to go after this. Go on. Phone tap. Sprayed with chips. Good. Okay, 1 thou more. See if this doesn't look too bad. Slow it down to half speed. Go for it. feeding all along. Take the butt in view. Okay, I'm going to do our shift. I hear it hitting on that side over there already. Go for it. Nice and shiny. Get that off, get that out of the way, put your junk away when you're done with it. See, these are, people thought this was just junk laying around on the floor. Those are actually tools right there. They get used to tie, see? Most times it's junk on the floor though. Alright, how's that look? Nice and smooth. You can see all the texture cuts though. It's smooth. The tattletale marks are nice and even, which you want to see. These are called witness marks if you're a machinist. Tells you how flat everything, how square all the stuff is relative to the table. It means it's pretty damn square is what that means. Okay, so those are all machined. Time to clean all this stuff up. We'll be back.